What's the meaning of billabong? Billabong. Billabong.
Billabong. Billabong. A billabong is a term commonly used in Australia to describe a small or temporary body of water that is formed when a river or stream changes its course and leaves behind a loop or oxbow lake. Billabongs are typically found in arid or semi-arid regions of the country and are often associated with wetlands and floodplains. The word billabong is derived from the Wiradjuri word billabong, which means a watercourse that runs only after rain. These features are not only significant in Indigenous Australian cultures but also serve as important habitats for a variety of flora and fauna, making them essential to the ecosystem.